just move boxes around.
Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is the next big part in our grand plan to be self-sufficient up at the land this year and allow my parents to still have their own space, and that is the B&W's coupler RV turnover ball and companion hitch. I know I got that wrong, but I'll put it somewhere here on the screen, with the slide kit, which is just off screen here. So everything comes mostly assembled. We're not going to do too much of a tutorial on putting this together because we just need to get it done. Hopefully the next time I talk to you guys, we're about ready to pull the fifth wheel here in the driveway, because we got a ton of work to do on that. So I'm going to throw you up on time lapse and let's see how long it takes us to get this hitch out of the box and installed. Did I miss anything?
Hi.
Oh, my wonderful wife is going to help as well. Really, the most difficult part of this whole install was just carrying the slide assembly over there. It was easily over 100 pounds. From there, there's a single bolt that goes down into the gooseneck that needed to be torqued to 80 foot-pounds, and then 4 bolts that connect the supports for the uprights. That's it. Super, super easy install. Alright, just one last thing to do. So this thing is stout. This will max out the load capacity of my truck before I get in any trouble. Couldn't be happier with the gooseneck attachment point there without having to have any rails across, because I had the Reese system before, the universal. See you, dude. Where you going? Okay, so that's in. It was really only 4 bolts and then 2 pins. This thing was designed excellently. I couldn't be happier. So let's see what it takes to get the fifth wheel in, and then we'll call it a video, because there's a lot of work to do. So we're terrible at YouTube apparently, because we didn't record backing in the driveway, but hitch worked great. We'll get more footage when we leave. There's so much work to be done. This is so chalky. The decals are all, I mean, looks good from afar, but far from good. I mean, needs some work. I mean, the bones are great. I mean, this is a really, really nice fifth wheel. Take a look. Now, this was originally purchased by my parents back when my dad was living in it and working, so it's really only accommodations for 2 people to sleep. So there's a master with a king-size bed up front there. Are you in your PJ still? How am I going to put this on YouTube? It's a baby sleep sack. Aww. So this has been in storage for about 2 years now. I used to pull this with my old F-250, but this is the first I had the hitch put in on this. So we need to find some blades for the ceiling fan. We need to find a RV or a 12-volt light for there. And then we're contemplating pulling the carpet out and putting down a vinyl so that we can have a little easier time cleaning it up at the property with the dogs and all. But here she is. It's got some work to do. We just got out of storage, so it's pretty dirty. The kids are as excited as I am. But here it is. So that's it for this. I guess next time we're going to jump right into doing renovations. Probably going to have to worry about detailing and cleaning the exterior, because we have an awning coming. That thing needs to be replaced badly before it rips off at 70 miles an hour on the interstate. So I appreciate all the support, subscriptions, and the viewership. I hope I'm lucky enough to catch you guys on the next one. So I will see you then.